I get up. I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my stand and go out of this world.
Assalamualaikum guys, this is Lamia and welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing well and you all are doing safe. So guys, if you're watching this video for the very first time, so please make sure you subscribe my channel and also you can follow me on my Instagram. ओके जी गाइस, सो टाइटल से आपको आइडिया हो ही गया होगा कि वीडियो इज़ अबाउट व्हाट. सो बेसिकली आई एम ऑल सेट एंड आई एम गोइंग टू मैकडॉनल्ड्स. तो जो मैकडॉनल्ड्स है इट्स लाइक वेरी वेरी नियर बाय फ्रॉम माई बिल्डिंग, जस्ट लाइक वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस. एंड जो टाइम हुआ है अभी लाइक इट्स 8 o'clock, रात हो चुकी है. तो आई थिंक मैंने इस टाइम पे कोई व्लॉग भी नहीं बनाया और कोई व्यू भी इस तरह से कैप्चर नहीं किया. सो नाउ आई विल जस्ट गो डाउन एंड आई विल शो यू अराउंड दिस एल. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. ओके जी गाइस, सो नाउ आई एम डाउन एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट जो मैकडॉनल्ड्स है वो बहुत नियर बाय है मेरी बिल्डिंग से. सो आई एम वॉकिंग. सो आप देख सकते हैं रात में भी जो व्यू होता है बैकग्राउंड का बहुत अमेजिंग होता है. Okay ji guys, so my friend just texted me that she is almost about to reach and now I will walk little bit fast ताकि मैं उससे पहले पहुंचूं और जो मेरा प्लान है मैं उसे कंप्लीट कर सकूं. ऑलराइट गाइस, सो ये जो शॉप है ये बिल्कुल मेन रोड पर है एंड दिस इज़ लाइक रियली ऑसम शॉप. सो एंड हमें जो है जब भी मुझे केक या पेस्ट्री कुछ भी लेना होता है सो लाइक आई कम ओवर हियर बिकॉज इनकी जो स्वीट्स हैं दे आर लाइक रियली अमेजिंग. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू गो फॉर अ पेस्ट्री. आई डिडंट वांटेड टू टेक अ बिग केक बिकॉज यू नो कोई भी नहीं उसे खाता एंड शी इज़ ऑल्सो ऑन डाइट एंड यूजली आई एम ऑल्सो ऑन डाइट. सो यहाँ पर जो इनकी स्वीट्स थी बड़ी अमेजिंग थी. आई जस्ट चूज़ दिस ब्राउन ब्राउनी लाइक चॉकलेट केक था एंड बहुत ज़्यादा अमेजिंग इनकी चीज़ें होती हैं. यहाँ पर यू कैन सी लाइक देयर इज़ डिफरेंट वेराइटी ऑफ स्वीट्स, स्मॉल पेस्ट्रीज एंड केक्स ऑल्सो. एंड उसके अलावा लाइक वंस व्हेन आई वेंट टू पाकिस्तान मैं यहाँ से कुछ स्वीट्स भी लेकर गई थी एंड द पैकिंग वाज सो ऑसम. एंड लाइक जब मैं वहाँ से गई एंड व्हेन आई यू नो फॉर सम रिलेटिव्स मुझे यहाँ से लेके गई थी तो दे एब्सोल्युटली लव्ड इट. सो ये इनकी कुछ यू नो स्वीट्स हैं और ये बड़ी ज़्यादा यूनिक होती है बिकॉज़ यू नो इन पाकिस्तान इस तरह की ये चीज़ें थोड़ी सी आपको नहीं मिलती क्योंकि ये एक ईरानी शॉप है एंड यहाँ पर जो इनकी जो भी स्वीट्स हैं ये उस तरह से बनी हुई हैं. So here they were like prepping themselves to put to basically write on the plate that happy birthday. Basically it was a pre-happy birthday and इनके पास जो chocolate थी that was blue available but I requested them कि you know I wanted chocolate like brown color से लिखा होना चाहिए. So फिर इन लोगों ने all the way दोबारा से सारी चीज़ें की and you know फिर इस पे लिखा. सो ये बेसिकली जो पेस्ट्री पड़ी हुई है यहाँ पे एंड जो प्लेट थी तो बेसिकली दे अरेंज्ड इट फॉर मी टू पुट इट यू नो बिकॉज और किसी चीज़ पे अच्छा नहीं लगता. सो हियर बेसिकली दे वर जस्ट मेकिंग दिस कोन यू नो. इसमें ये चॉकलेट सारी ऐड करके लाइक अ पॉइंटेड वो बनाकर इससे ये लोग इजीली लिखेंगे हैप्पी बर्थडे. लाइक मैंने इनसे कहा था टू राइट लाइक प्री हैप्पी बर्थडे ऑन इट बिकॉज रीज़न ये था क्योंकि मेरी नेक्स्ट वीक यू नो लाइक आई एम ऑक्यूपाइड. मेरी फ़्लाइट्स थी बैक टू बैक तो मुझे बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं मिलता टू डू एनीथिंग फॉर हर और यू नो शी इज़ गोइंग टू हैव हर बर्थडे पार्टी ऑल्सो लाइक आफ्टर 2 days आई थिंक. तो उसमें भी मैं नहीं जा पाऊँगी क्योंकि आई विल बी एट वर्क. तो इसीलिए मैंने ये अपनी तरफ से आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू मेक दिस एफर्ट. Okay, so here I was just waiting, and I must say that their staff was so helpful, so cooperative, like because over here मुझे time तकरीबन I think 15 minutes तो हो गए होंगे for sure. So but they made sure that whatever I'm asking for वो सारी चीज़ें हों, and they did this thing like free of cost. इसके लिए इन्होंने कोई charge नहीं किया, although इनका काफ़ी जो है time इस पे utilize हुआ है to write everything and to make the cone and everything, but the staff was really amazing. Perfect. Thank you. Okay guys, so this is the name and the number of this bakery, and just in case if you want to visit this place, so that's the reason I have just mentioned the address and the different branches they have in UAE. Okay जी guys, so मेरा काम तो हो गया है. So this shop was really amazing, and यहाँ की sweets भी बहुत awesome थी, and plus the staff was really amazing, and they made my work very easy. So अब बिल्कुल सामने है McDonald's, so I will just go over there and let's see her reaction. So I have reached to McDonald's finally. I am before time thankfully, and I am all set with it. I'm just waiting for the birthday girl now. और मैं बैठी हूँ बेसिकली आउटडोर में, क्योंकि मैकडॉनल्ड्स पर अंदर जो था वो काफ़ी रश था, सो दैट्स वाई. एंड लाइक आप कहीं भी जाएं, लाइक वेदर पाकिस्तान में भी यूजुअली ऐसी जगहों पे रश होता है, तो आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर हर नाउ. ओके जी, ये जो बिल्ली है यहाँ पे, इसकी वजह से जो है हम अंदर जा रहे हैं, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी मच स्केयर्ड एंड माई फ्रेंड इज़ ऑल्सो इक्वली दैट मच स्केयर्ड, सो वी आर जस्ट गोइंग इनसाइड नाउ. ओके जी गाइस, नाउ आई एम इनसाइड, एंड आई थिंक इनसाइड इज़ अ बेटर ऑप्शन, बिकॉज यहाँ पर पिक्स भी अच्छी आएंगी एंड जो ओवरऑल लाइटिंग है वो भी बहुत अच्छी है. हेलो, हाउ आर यू?
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all.
You liked it?
Oh my god. But my question is, मेरी birthday 2 दिन के बाद है.
यार, but you know that मेरा schedule like for the next week I'm like fully occupied. So that's why I just wanted to make it special, yeah.
You have to come at my place.
Yes, I will try. Like it's.
And thanks a lot,
It's all good. Chalo, it's already too much late now. Just
And
cut
you know
it,
what?
yaar.
Hold on. Let me share you something.
Okay.
All were so like, oh my god, what happened here? Because that was my excitement. Okay, yalla. So no more time wasting, and then let's go.
Cut the cake.
And I'm dieting,
It's okay. It's a cheat day. Like we have already food over here, and it's good. So let's cut the cake.
Thank you.
Cut बात करो करो Happy birthday to you. Pre happy birthday.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let me just cut it. The sweet is really nice. The cake, it's amazing. Not that much sweet, yeah.
Yeah. How did you plan all this, yeah?
I'm a very good planner.
Thank
Happy
you, my
birthday,
god.
and we'll have many more.
It's so yummy, to be very honest.
Yeah, that shop was really nice.
Yeah.
I have also mentioned it guys in it, and I have also mentioned the address as well. Like it's on main road on Sharjah, and the sweet is really nice. And plus, the staff was also really nice. Like they helped me all, doing this plate and everything for you.
Oh.
Because I didn't know what to do it because I just.
I
Yes,
really,
it's
really
nice
like
if
your
you pay
idea.
That place a visit, and they have really good collection of sweet. And the best thing is that their biscuits, their sweet is not that much sweet. Like someone like me, I avoid sugary things a lot. So it's really nice.
You know what guys, आज मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर ईटिंग कर ली है. यूजली बहुत ज़्यादा खा ली. ये केक भी, बर्गर, चिप्स, कोल्ड ड्रिंक, एवरीथिंग इज इन वन डे. नाउ आई विल मेक श्योर कि जो कल का दिन होगा उसमें मैं कुछ ऐसा हैवी नहीं खाऊँ. और आई विल डू फास्टिंग, लाइक इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग. आई एम श्योर एवरीवन इज अवेयर ऑफ दैट बिकॉज यू हैव टू कीप बैलेंस. बिकॉज मुझे नहीं पसंद कि आप
So Annie, how was it? Missing family on this special day?
Yes, I miss my mom and my dad because it's been 2 years. I'm celebrating alone here.
You're not alone.
Yeah, you are here.
Oh yeah, so it's been like 2 years. Like for me, it's just like 1 year. I just moved over here in like January in 2020.
So how was it, yeah, to come like over here and work?
Because like you were the only one, like
Yeah, it was
like in your family, she's the like one
pretty challenging, but you know, I have my families here, like my aunt, some of my cousins are here. So it was not that much. What do you call it? It was not that much unknown type of country or something. So I was pretty sure that it will be good for me, like. So I just spoke to my mom that after my graduation. Work-wise, I was working in India as well. While my college, I was working. At that time, I spoke to my mom that I would like to go to it. And so once I got my degree, and then I decided, I will go.
And like apart from other things like this, like UAE is pretty safe also for the girls. Like if a girl is coming, it's like extremely safe. You don't have to worry about anything, whether you go like late night at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. It's very much safe. So I think that was also the plus point for you, that for you to get settled easily.
My family culture is also not so different kind of.
So they wanted you to be independent as well.
What do you call it? They are so friendly. My dad always treats me as a son.
Nice.
He never treated me as a daughter that I'm girl or something like that. But yeah, it's a really good experience. Trust me. Over years, I have seen different cities, different places. I have seen so many different people here from different nationality. And yeah,
You're happy, yeah?
Alhamdulillah. And you know what? As you will go for the interviews and everything also, that is your one of the experiences. You will experience how the interviewer they are, how the questions and all. So you just need to go out from the country and explore the things from all the way from different countries.
Yeah.
That is also pretty challenging.
I see. So that's amazing, yeah. Like I think for any girl, like whether from India or Pakistan or from any other country, coming all the way from your country and settling in a new country is a big achievement. And I think for you, your parents are like must be, and I'm sure like they are very very proud. Like the way you're working and you're supporting and you're achieving the things you wanted in life. So this is like you're really amazing. Alright guys, so that's it for now. So the time ho gaya hai, like it's about 11 o'clock now, and I have a flight tomorrow and she also have work. So it was really nice, and if you really loved watching this video, so please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new, so please make sure you subscribe my channel. So I will see you in my next video. So then please take care of yourself and others around you.